scientific experiments! Woohoo! Good morning! Good morning! Hello! Are you happy? Yes? Do you want to do an experiment?
We're going to make lava.
Lava. For this experiment, we need an empty bottle, spoons, baking soda, touch it, vinegar, want to smell it? And food coloring. Okay, so first we are going to put the baking soda into the empty bottle. And then we are going to add the food coloring to pop some color.
Now we have to mix.
And then finally, we are going to add the vinegar and see the magic happens.
3,
2, 1.